My name is Mamsika. I am from AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy.
Sanibonani Kamila Mngula KwaZulu, representing AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy. Today we were hosting a special session and lecture in partnership with NGAGE as well as Cortex Hub, Durban University of Technology, particularly the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics.
One of those things that you get to recognize is when you are young is how certain things are done and how they are controlled.
My name is Ndlovu, a Durban University of Technology student. Today I participated in the Embedded Challenge that was in our Faculty of Accounting and of Informatics and Accounting. It was a very great experience, and I really encourage young people to join this because there's more to learn about in it.
So I'm Embedded Challenge in partnership with AlgoAtWork, DUT, together with NGAGE, wants to introduce young people across the continent of Africa to the development of embedded systems. We know that our cell phones have got embedded systems.
My name is Doyisa. I'm a student at DUT. I found the challenge very interesting because you get to learn more things and then you get to know vast knowledge of IT and IoT because the embedded challenge specifically focuses on IoT. So for instance, how we encourage the students, more especially first years, because you start from the bottom. It's a pity because some of us got to learn these things while we were doing 30 years now we can master pro. So think of a student who is in the first year and he or she receives such knowledge. That student, once he or she graduates, will be a reprint in the industry.
Things that we use every day have embedded systems. So basically what the challenge does is it brings young people closer to these devices, to these objects that they use every day, and it gives them a bit of freedom to try and work on developing their own products or on improving the products that we already see. So that is what we were doing here today. We were just igniting that sort of wow moment and making sure that as many students as possible or as many young people as possible join the Embedded Challenge, and they get to develop, they get to play with devices and develop some cool stuff. That is what we were all about.